Your Firmao CRM is doing a great job managing your business. But if you're still bouncing between apps just to make a call or send a text, you're wasting valuable time. You rely on telephony to build customer relationships, close sales, manage teams, and drive projects. But when you're copying contacts, dialing numbers manually, and jumping back and forth to log notes, it's a hassle. That's not just frustrating. It's time lost you could have spent growing your business. What if you didn't have to do all that? With KrispCall integrated into your Firmao CRM, you can call, text, and manage conversations right inside your CRM. No more tab hopping, no more manual syncing, just smooth, smart communication, exactly where you need it. Getting started is quick and easy. Log into your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate to the integrations and search for Firmao. Upon connecting, KrispCall will prompt you for your Firmao account details. Go to your Firmao account, navigate to Admin, and click on Company Settings. In the sidebar, click on Integration, and then on the API column tab. Retrieve your Firmao username and password for API login. Fill in the valid details at KrispCall and submit. That's it. Your Firmao CRM is integrated successfully. Now you can customize your Firmao integration settings in KrispCall. Adjust your data sync preferences in the general settings and enable specific sync options in the workflow settings. You can also connect one or more numbers for calls and SMS separately. Once you've completed the setup, everything is tailored to your workflow. Now, let's make a call from Firmao using KrispCall. First, install the KrispCall dialer extension for your browser to ensure a seamless calling experience. Then, go to Contacts in your Firmao account. Find the number you want to reach and click on the KrispCall icon. Hit Call option and the dialer will appear, ready for you to connect with your customers. During calls, you can add tags and make notes, keeping everything in sync for easy follow-ups. Want to send a text post-call with the updates? Just click the KrispCall icon, select the SMS option, type your message, and send it directly from Firmao. KrispCall's two-way contact sync saves you a lot of time. Whether you add contacts in your Firmao account or in KrispCall, your contacts are updated both ways and without duplication. All your call and SMS logs, contacts, tags, and notes are all automatically accessible in your Firmao CRM. And if a call goes unanswered, with voicemail enabled, voice messages from customers are logged directly into Firmao, so you can listen to them without any extra steps. Packed with powerful features, KrispCall's advanced business telephony is an affordable solution with flexible subscription plans to fit your needs. No gaps, no friction, just one smooth, automated system powering your business from first call to final invoice. Add KrispCall to Firmao and make your CRM truly complete.